Hi, here is the Canon Autoboy Prisma date overall conditions. So here is the battery compartment. Using 2CR5 battery. Okay. It's like this. And we just put inside and push it in. When we push it in, we need to, because here got a lock lah, okay, so we need to lock it at this two part. So we push it and like that. After that, lock it. Okay, so it's like this, and here is the on off button. When you switch like this, means it's on. Like this is off. And here is the shutter, and here is the viewfinder. When you look into the viewfinder, you'll find out at the center point here got a bracket stuff lah. Okay, so you just use that thing to aim whatever you want to focus and press the shutter. And it's a auto flash system. Here's the sensor. So if I cover it, it will trigger the flash. Wait, it's charging. Yeah, it trigger the flash. And here's the timer. Click it, it will start counting. It took around 10 seconds like that. Okay, it's almost there. Yeah. Okay. And here is the remote compartment. You need to press it, then only you can release it. Okay. When you take out, it will start blinking, which means that it's allow you to press the remote lah. Okay. But this remote is out of battery, so yeah, you cannot press. So you need to replace the battery by using a small screw, open it and replace the two battery at here. And put it back like that. And the bottom part of here is considered like a small stand for you lah. It's designed for if you want to like use the remote or timer, then you can put it up like this, and yeah, the angle will be slightly higher instead of like flat. Then close it. And by pulling this to open the back cover, inside will be like this. And the date function also out of battery. If you want, you need to replace the battery at here. And the date doesn't until 2025 lah, so I think you can ignore it. Here is the film compartment. So about the film, we need to slide from the top to the bottom. Okay, like that. Then we'll pull the film tip to here. Then only we close it. Okay. Well, this is a used film, so I can't show you to anything lah. Okay. And here's the DX code system. It will auto sense the DX code of the film to adjust it. And when you want to close it, if can, don't like press it in lah. You just pull the button down and press it inside, like a lock like that. Will be better lah. Okay. And here is the film counter. It will show how many shots you have took. If inside doesn't have film, it won't move to like 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you doesn't load properly the film, it also won't move. If you load successfully, then only when you click the shutter, it will move, like start moving from the S to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. Okay. So the overall is like this, and when you shoot finish, it will auto rewind. So no worry in using, and hope you enjoy it.